comments and click on that link and read in more detail about all that happened. And my boast, I also give a brief history about all my men, about my relationship with Brent Spiner, Matthew McConaughey, Gerard Butler, Hugh Jackman, Vladimir Putin, Terrence Jenkins, and how they all came to be in my life. So just go to my website and click on the link there and find out the truth, man. If some of you are saying, oh, I can't believe, you're going to say Vladimir Putin's got a wife named Ludmila. We all know Matthew McConaughey's with Camila Alves and blah, 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 blah. I'm going to say this, okay? These Jesuits are really smart. They were behind the Nazi Holocaust in Germany, and they got away with it. Everybody thinks it was all the Germans' fault. And the Roman Catholic Church sponsored the Nazi war machine, and they got away with it. They've got to be really brilliant to have pulled off a number like that. These are not stupid people. They know how to lie. They know how to put fake photographs, fake movies up there. They know they've got cloning technology, mind-reading technology. I mean, it's nothing to them to be able to fake out the public like this and create fake wives and make it appear real. So go to churchofgail.com. Go to my website, GabrielChana.com, and learn the truth, and let these stinking, creeping, lying Jesuits be exposed for the frauds, killers, deceivers, and brilliant liars that